Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life. And guess what? Our release for March 15th is so amazing that we're doing a live release the night before. Monday, March 14th at 5 p.m. Pacific, 8 p.m. Eastern Time, we are going to do a live reveal. It'll be an online party available on YouTube and on our Facebook page. And I will be doing demonstrations on the new items. You'll be able to purchase the new items right then on our website. And I'll show you samples. And you know what? We're going to have so much fun. We're going to do some free chat contests for everyone. It's a free event. Come join us online March 14th, Monday at 5 p.m. Pacific, 8 p.m. Eastern, and I cannot wait to share the new items with you. It's going to be so much fun. It's an online party. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.